Hi guys, welcome back. I've got another small job today to show you. I had a guy reach out and want some brass bushings. I guess he's building it's a kerfing plane, I assume for woodworking. But he just wants 4 bushings made out of brass. He said he wants it cut. The dimensions aren't too critical. He said he's going to ream them out to the final dimension. So he wants them about 1.25 inches long, about 3/4 inch diameter. And then we're going to just drill and bore it to be about 460 thousandths diameter through. So I kind of like doing these small jobs for people. It can be really difficult if you just need a couple parts made to find someone to do it, especially if you don't really know where to look. It can be difficult. So I'm glad he reached out to do it. I'm always happy to do stuff like this. It's kind of fun. Even though it's a pretty simple job, it's just something a little bit different, and it's kind of fun to do. I'm glad to help him out. So we'll get to it. All right, guys, we've got our brass chucked up here, 3/4 inch brass. First thing I'm going to do is just go ahead and face this off, and then we're gonna turn the diameter down just a little bit, just to kind of clean it up. He said 3/4 inch is okay, but we'll just take a little bit off, clean it up, give it a nice finish on there. I'm going to spot this with a center drill so we can get a center in there and turn down the diameter. We're going to have it sticking out a ways. It needs 4 of these at 1.25 inches. So we're going to need about 6 inches when you take into account the parting blade. Alright, that's gonna be good there. Go ahead and stick a center in. I'm gonna have to move this camera mount a little bit, it's in the way. All right, we've got our brass chucked up, ready to go. We're going to turn this diameter. I'm going to use the power feed and go ahead and do it. All right, now we're going to go ahead and cut these to length. We need 1.25 inches each, and then we'll drill them out and bore them. Use my light here for just a second. We'll go ahead and part these off. Alright, that's our 4. I think we can, they won't quite fit in the next collet down, so we're going to have to use this one. We're going to go ahead and drill them. I'm going to drill them 7/16, and this will give us a little leeway so that we can bore them out and make sure the bore is consistent and it's nice and straight. I'm going to drill all of them first, and then we'll come back in with our boring bar. All right, we're ready to go ahead and start boring these. We've got our boring bar in here, and he said he wants them to be slightly under 472 thousandths, and we're at 444. Well, yeah, about 440, 442. So we need about 20 thousandths is all. to come off. So touch off. Here we go, 10. Take another 10. Alright, let's see where we're at. By boring this out, we make sure that our bore is nice and straight. Sometimes drill bits can wander off a little bit, so by doing it this way, we'll get a nice straight bore in there. And we're right at 463, so that'll give him about 10 thousandths to play with when he figures out the final diameter he needs. So I think that should be good. So deburr these. All right, there's one. All right, there they are. That's it. All right, that was a quick and easy job, but I'm glad to get these shipped off to him. I think they should work well for him, and hopefully, you know, if he's got any other small projects like this, he reaches out. I'd be happy to get them done. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it, and hope you have a great day.